No?
Mm-hmm.
This is Patrick's first cookie, and he played around with it and didn't know what to do with it for a couple minutes, and now he's taking bites and chewing
Probably gonna
it.
try and take bites out of all his toys now. Look at this. Wow.
And he's chewing it.
That's great.
He's learning to chew. Oh, he's getting to be such a big boy. Is that good? Oh.
He looks a little frustrated. He's got a mouthful of food.
It does.
Maybe give him a sec, yeah. That's great.
Take one more bite on camera.
That's a big bite. Hi, Chomper. You almost poked your eye out.
And we're having a blizzard outside, and we're snowed in the day after Christmas. See?
Oh, that's a big... Oh, hang on. He's got a giant chunk in his mouth.
It'll dissolve. It's okay.
Okay.
All right.
All
Okay.
right.
Here.
It's like, yeah, that's good for now.
They're pretty good.
Another little bite. All right, let's look at the blizzard. Oh, it's blizzard.
800 flights are canceled.